Hi, my name is Minoti. I am the lab tech and lab manager for the Zettlemoyer lab in the Division of Biological Sciences. I've always been a city girl and I've always loved escaping the city and going to nature and going to parks and hikes and just being with the birds and the trees. I've always had that love, and I've always been a really curious student. I loved asking questions to all of my teachers, and studying biology really allowed me to ask multiple different questions and really allowed me to investigate. I could go into nature and investigate the questions that I had. One really unique thing about the research environment is the different field specialists that we have. What I mean by that is we're in the Rocky Mountains right now. is in the beautiful Rocky Mountains. So we have people who study everything to do about the biology of the Rocky Mountains. We are studying the flora, the plants of the Rocky Mountains. We're in a really amazing location to study all of these unique and beautiful species of animals, plants, and that is something that I think makes very unique. Our location and the fact that we have all of these experts who've come from all over to give their expertise and to ask questions about nature here. I am currently working on a phlox genetics project. We know this beautiful species, Missoula Phlox, is unique and special, but we know that mostly by looking at the way it grows and its leaves and its flowers. So we know that it's different, but we want to go a step further and we want to look at the genetics of phlox. We want to know, is this phlox Missoula, how is it related to the other species in the genus? How is it related to its sister species? And how unique is it really? So to answer that question, we're going to look at the genetics. So I collected some flowers and buds and leaf tissue, and we also have some tissue from our herbarium here at and we're going to get some DNA and we're going to sequence it and we're going to look at the genetics, and that's something that I'm working on right now.